morning, guys. May 28, 2020. This one I got a call from a lady. Some of her AC. Gotta go check it out. Annual service or whatever. I was there last year. Put gas in it or something. I'll have to go by and see what she's talking about. Well, we're gonna go over there and see what's going on. See if we get it up and running. And see if it's up to par. It might be a leaker. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. Yeah, she's a leaker. She's a leaker, mama. She's a leaker. Most of them are leakers. Anyway, we'll do what we can and do what we can, mama. Steve is working again, y'all. Steve is working again, mama. It's a piston, Goodman with a piston. I have worked on it before. I didn't install it, but I have worked on it. Let's check the filter. Filter's still clean. That's fine. She actually got it in backwards. The metal belongs towards the fan. We'll leave it like that for now. Check the unit outside. We'll run it, check it outside. That's fine.
So how have things been for you with this?
Alright, it's been fine.
Good.
The Corona.
Yeah?
Anybody been sick? No?
No. Thank God, no.
Thank God. It's kind of wet in here, but I'll give it a minute. 68. Alright, let's run it and we'll check it outside.
Okay.
68.
That's not good.
Well, no, it's a check the superheat.
Okay.
So indoor wet bulb was 68. 75 outside. Should be 24 degrees superheat. So we're shooting for 24. Let's see where we're at. is where we need to be because of the piston, right? That's where we need to be. You see that? That's what we want right there. If it was a TXV, we'd have to go by subcooling, but that don't look bad. So she's good to go. 24 was our target. That's what we want right there. That's good. See how it's sweating? They call that beer can cold. See how it's sweating? That's what you want to see. Sweating like that. It's beer can cold. That's what they call that, beer can cold. That's not sweating. The issues. After it runs a while, it should sweat like that. You should feel nice hot air coming out the top here. It should be nice and hot. Getting rid of the heat.